here's the door. You have the full-length mirror, and then you have hooks right there. To the left, you have the mirror and sink space, the vanity space. There is quite a bit of counter space, and then you have 2 drawers here, blow dryer on the inside. Only one sink. Here is a light up makeup mirror, and then the zoomed on the back. 2 lights there. Here's a better view of what it looks like. To the right, you have big closet. Goes really far back that way. Extra pillow blanket, safe, and iron. All right, bathroom. You have towel rack, toilet, kind of a bare space over here, but you have a hook over there. More towels. And then I really like this tile. It's really pretty. Here it is. And then you have your reusable shampoo, conditioner, body wash. And you have two shower heads. One is detachable and one is not. Also 2 hooks on the bathroom door on the inside. Okay, directly behind the bathroom you have your kitchenette space. So here's what it looks like. So big fridge, not just a beverage cooler, it's an actual fridge here with the little freezer. Oh, the little freezer up there. You have under sink storage space. Oh, little treat from Emirates. Does not come with a room. Sink. You have like the dish soap and cloth. Here's your coffee. There's an actual like coffee pot, not a Keurig or one of those pods. So it's an actual pot. Toaster, microwave, paper towel, can opener, bottle opener, cork, screw, and then there's paper plates and cups up here. Paper plates, silverware, cups, and more paper towel, and then just more storage. So here's a better view. And then here's the full view of the room. It's really pretty. I really like it. Okay, you have some artwork up there, very cute. Here's your bed. We have the queen bed because we have the pull-out bed or Murphy bed that can sleep 2 people. So here's the queen. And then each side has its own bedside table and lamp. And then you also have USB plugs and like regular outlets, phone. There's a lot of storage space, I realized, in this room. So 2 drawers there, 2 drawers on the other side. Your Hey Disney, which is like an Alexa kind of. Another lamp with same exact lamp as the other side. Okay, and then here's my favorite part. I always love to pull out the Murphy beds to see what the artwork is on the inside because it's always so cute. So here is the Murphy bed when you have it up, and then here's what it looks like pulled down. It's so cute. Let me get closer, but I did want to mention that you do have to pull out the table. I'll talk about the table in a second, but you do have to pull it out to fit the Murphy bed all the way down. I know some of the rooms that I've stayed in, you don't have to pull out the table. This one you do. It doesn't go all the way down if the table is still there. So just wanted to say that. But look at how cute this is. Saratoga Springs Stables, Hidden Mickey right here. So cute. I love it. And then this is the second queen bed. So sleeps 4 people because 2 here, 2 here. And then, yeah. Okay, I also mentioned that you had to pull out the table, but I did want to mention you don't have to like move the cushions or pull out the cushions or anything. You just pull down this, and I can't do it with one hand. It's actually kind of heavy, but you just pull down that, keeping the couch there, and it fits under. So you don't need to move anything with the couch. You do need to move the table. But I was saying before, the table is like a coffee table, but then it's really cool because it pulls up like that. So one, it gives you some extra storage space in here to put stuff. And then two, if you want to eat while you're watching the wonderful Mickey cartoons that are on the TV, you can pull back the table and now it's like sitting level with the couch. And then when you're done eating, just pull it down and there it is. And then you can just push it back. It's really light. It has wheels actually. All right, and then here's the huge window. We have a balcony. We're on the 3rd floor. Big window, patio window, or sorry, balcony window. And let me open. Here's the view. Beautiful. I love the bright colors of this resort. There's 2 chairs and a table out here. I should probably close this door. So we're actually in Congress Park, which is the furthest building to Disney Springs because we were planning on spending a lot of time at Disney Springs. So we wanted to be close. So just to give you like a little like view, that's Cirque du Soleil, the building the white building right there. So we have a Disney Springs view. Very happy with it because this view is really pretty. Okay, and then here's your TV and lots of storage drawers. So there's 6 of them and they are very long. They're not like the most deep, like back that way, but they are very long and there's 6 of them, so it's a lot. And the storage counter space is quite large also. There's outlets and USBs on the side as well. Okay, mirror and little bench. The bench does not fold up, but it does have, again, 2 big drawers in it. So this room is actually really nice for if you're staying for a long period of time because there's a lot of storage space and drawers. And if you like to unpack on a vacation, this would be great for you. Oh, something I always forget to mention, but I feel like it's very important, is this bed does have under storage space for suitcases that fit underneath. So you can store suitcases, so they're not just laying all over the floor, which I love.